Hello guys, this is Banus. So we are going to make like a TV screen inside the BabylonJs scene, and this screen is going to display a video. So first we create the folder Banus, in which we are going to create the class TV screen. It's going to have scene, TV position, video, URL, plane. In the plane we are going to put the video. So we set the properties. There is a lot of freedom in which you can do this. This is just one option. And we create another method, load the video, which we initialize the texture to the plane, and also we create an event handler that is going to listen for clicks on the plane, and is going to pause or resume the video. That's what the second part in load video methods do. Then we import the class and we instantiate the class. So we give the scene, we give the position, that it has to be a Babylon vector. We give the width of the screen, the height, and the URL, and also we can give an ID. We load the video and we have an error. I thought the error was I was not importing the right libraries, but it was because a typo. And also another typo. And yeah, so you can see the video playing inside the BabylonJs scene. Let's create another one in a different place with a different ID. You can see the two screens. With a different video, you can see both are playing. And I had an error. You needed that kind of functions because otherwise the word this is not considered. So now you can pause the videos when you click them. And that's for today's bonus.